So hello guys, if you want to download screen builder for Java FX in our Eclipse, so in this video I'm going to tell you the easiest way in which you have to download the screen builder. So first of all, you have to download the screen builder from the given link. So let the website will open and we have to download the latest version for our Windows because I'm using Windows. So I click on the download and after some seconds our download will going to happen. And okay, let us download this. Guys, our screen builder is downloaded. We have to click on this and you will see this warning for your PC. We simply have to go to more information and we have to run it anyway. No issues, the screen builder is totally safe. I don't know why the PC is giving me warnings. Now we have to apply the next step. So guys, our screen builder has completely set up. Now we have to click on finish, and when we minimize our windows, we will see a screen builder like here. So you might come to this video because you are facing issues to upload your scene builder in your existing file. So for that issue, we have to create a new file. We have to click on file. We have to go to new, and after that we have to go to our project section, and after that we have to click on Java FX project. We simply have to click on next, and we just give a name like, okay, we gave a name like, and we don't have to click on finish, we have to click on next, and you see like this interface, and again you have to click next, and after this you will see this option, and on the language you have to click on fxml, and we simply have to finish it. So when we see this, you see some warnings on our file, and to overcome that, we simply have to click on our project and we have to go on our build path option and we have to configure build path. And after this, you will see some this interface, and you simply have to click on module path, and we have to add libraries which we have already added while creating our first file. We have to click on our Java FX and finish, apply and close. And when we apply this, our all warnings are over and we can simply use our scene builder in Java FX. And now you see this sample.fxml file. So when we open this with our scene builder, we see this warning because we have to do a important step now. We have to go to Windows, we have to see the preferences, and we have to add the scene builder location which we have downloaded. We simply have to go to our desktop and just scroll down and we see this screen builder, and we have to copy its path. We have to open and you will see this path, and we have to apply and close. And after the application, our sample.fxml is complete. Now we can open it with scene builder, and I have just click on open. The file is loading. It might take 2 to 3 more seconds. And after our loading is complete, our screen builder is now running, and you can add anything what you have to do. So thank you for watching my video. If you have watched my video till the end, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Bye.